Are humans evolving? A better question is, are humans changing? The simple answer is yes. One way to measure this change is by determining the change of allele frequency in a population. An allele is one of two genes occupying a specific spot on a chromosome controlling a specific trait. These changes don't always result in different organisms, but they are necessary for organisms to change. Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium has 5 conditions that, if met, would mean that there is no change in a population's allele frequency. A mutation is a change in a gene. This doesn't mean that the organism is gonna physically change. However, it does mean that the organism will be able to give this mutated gene to its offspring. Random mating is selection of a mate without regard to phenotype. Even though we can argue both ways for humans, we can say that there is at least some random mating happening. We as humans created a different society than the one we lived before. The fact that almost anyone can have children means that there is probably little to none natural selection happening. A large population size makes it really hard for allele frequencies to make an impact in a population. The fact that there are 7.4 billion people means that even though we might experience change in allele frequencies, the population might not change much in the long run. Gene flow is the transfer of genes from one population to another. Globalization has increased gene flow because now people can travel to different continents easily and can spread genes everywhere. As we can see, we have change in our allele frequency. However, this is really dependent on how society is. In the future, things might change, and the fact that the world is changing faster than humans are makes it really difficult to predict where humans are going in the future. Isolated civilizations are changing at a different rate than we are. This means that in the future, if they remain isolated, they could be more different than they are to us right now.